My name is Miri Leno, email copywriter, and today I want to talk to you about some things that you can do today to be ready for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. In fact, there are 3 things that you can do right now at the end of September, early October, to start getting ready for Black Friday, even if you don't have a promotion or a strategy yet. The first one, make sure that your website is ready to go. Make sure that it's responsive, that the information on your website makes sense, and that everything that you have to offer and who you are as far as your branding is correct and ready to go. Number 2, make sure you connect with your audience. And how do you do that? Well, you can do that through email marketing, making sure that you send emails consistently from now until Black Friday, and also on social media, creating posts, tagging people, using retargeting strategies so that people get to know you and your brand and they're ready to buy from you on Black Friday. And finally, just execute. Make sure that everything is ready to go as far as your process, as far as your funnels. And if you need help with some strategies, I'll be giving you some strategies specifically for coaches, consultants, service-based businesses when it comes to Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So let's get ready because this could be your best Black Friday, Cyber Monday yet. Again, my name is Mary Lennon, email copywriter. And if you need help with your email strategy, let me know. I'll be happy to help. Have a good day.